I want you to expand and simplify. Let's say in the bracket x plus 4, and then in the second bracket you have x minus 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Now this is something you see, the difference between this and the previous examples and practice that we've done is that this one has a negative, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now how do we expand this? We're going to expand it as the normal, the usual way we do, but just that we have to be a little careful with the minus. So let's go. X times x, what's it going to be?
X squared.
Good. Right. Next, x times minus 1, what's it going to be? Because it's minus 1 here.
Minus 1.
Minus 1x.
Yeah, minus x. Minus 1 or minus x.
Yeah, minus 1x or just x, okay?
Yeah.
Next, if you multiply, remember, this is plus 4. Plus 4 times x, what's it going to be?
4x.
Plus 4x. Good. And next, if you do plus 4 times minus 1.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Good. And then from here, I think we can now simplify.
Yeah.
So if you simplify, can you tell me what you get when you simplify? S squared stays the same, right?
Yeah.
And then we have minus 1x plus 4x. What was it going to be? Yeah, 3 what?
3x.
3x. Good. Plus 3x.
Yeah, plus 3x.
And then what do you have left? Minus 4.
Yeah.
And it's going to be the result.
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to write this down? We're going to solve. You can write this down first in your book, please.
Yeah, I've written it.
Oh, you're really, really fast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Remember, plus times minus is what?
Plus times minus
is minus, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and you also know that minus times minus is what?
Minus.
No?
Oh, plus.
Okay, I just want you to remember that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's go to the next question.
Okay.
I want us to expand and simplify this. Let's say we're gonna do 2 questions, but let's take the first one.
Mm-hmm.
In the bracket here, you have x plus 6 in the bracket, and the other you have an expression x minus 2. All right. Can you please tell me how you may want to do this?
Say you do.
Yeah.
X times x, which will give you x squared.
Yep, correct.
And then after you put your plus, you do x plus minus 2.
X times minus 2.
I mean x times minus 2, which will give you 2.
X times minus 2. What's it gonna give you?
2.
Is it plus or minus?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Is it just minus 2 or minus 2x?
Minus 2x.
Good. Minus 2x. Beautiful. So next, what do we do?
Then you do 6 times x.
Yeah, 6 times x is gonna give you what? Remember, not just is because here's a plus, so plus 6 times
6x.
Plus 6x. Good. And then what do you do next?
6x times minus 2, which will give you minus 3.
Hmm?
I mean, sorry, I thought we were taking it. Taken away. No, times it. Dividing, sorry. You do plus 6
times
plus
minus
6
2
times minus 2, which will give you minus 12.
Will it give plus 12 or minus 12?
Minus.
Good, minus 12. So this is what we have after expanding. So next is, how do we simplify this? Can you give me a clue?
So you keep x squared.
Yeah.
And you do a minus, and then you do minus 2. No, you do 2x plus 6x.
What's it gonna be?
Which give you 8x.
Not exactly. Not exactly. minus 2x plus 6s. What's it going to give you?
Oh, my bad. It will give you, let's see, minus 8.
No, not exactly.
Four.
Minus 2 plus 6. What does it give you?
2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4.
Good. So minus 2x plus 6s is going to be plus 4x.
4x.
And then you can put the minus 12, which is what is left there.
Yeah.
So this becomes your final answer.
Yeah.
S squared plus 4x minus 12.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can please write this down.
I've already written it.
All right. Let's go to another example. Let's take it this way like this. Question B. Let's say we have an expression here, x plus 5. And then here you have x minus 2. I don't know why I keep using 2 all the time. Let me make it minus 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you please help me? Give me an idea how you might want to expand this.
So you do x times x. X squared. And then you do x times minus 3.
Yep.
Which is minus 3x.
Good. Next.
And then you do plus, and then you do plus 5 times x, which is 5x.
Yeah, is it plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus 5x. Good.
And then you do 5 minus 5 times minus 3, which is minus 15.
Minus 15. Good.
Yeah.
Your expansion is absolutely correct.
Yeah.
So next is to simplify.
Simplify. So you leave the x squared.
Okay, stays the same.
And then you do minus 3 for minus 3x plus 5x.
What's it gonna be?
It's 2.
Yeah. Is it plus or negative?
It's plus 2.
Plus 2x, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll have minus 15 there.
15, yeah.
So this becomes your final answer, is it?
Yeah.
Excellent. So I would like you to please write this down in your book.
I have.
You're really fast.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if we give you a question, maybe three questions, would you be able to do them?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. All right. So please take this one for practice.
Okay.
All right. Question number 1. Expand and simplify. The first one, x plus 6. Then in the bracket, another one is x minus 2. And then I'm trying to split my screen halfway this way, so I can have another question on the right. Question B, let's say x plus 3. And then bracket here, x minus 4.
Okay.
All right.
I'm done.
Okay, so this is how we're going to work it, and then check if your answer is going to be correct, okay?
Okay.
So first, we're going to expand by saying x times x, and that's going to give you what?
X squared.
And then next, we say x times minus 2.
Minus 2x.
Excellent. And then next, we say, we'll take plus 6 times x.
6x.
Plus 6x, right?
Yeah.
And then again, we take plus 6 on the first bracket and multiply times minus 2.
12.
Minus 12. Good.
Yeah.
Our expansion is ready. So we need to simplify. We start with x squared. It stays unchanged.
Yeah.
And now we have minus 2x plus 6x. What's it going to be?
It'll be 4x plus 4x.
Plus 4x. Good. And then we have left minus 12. So put it this way.
Yeah.
Now, is this where you go for your answer?
Yeah.
Excellent. 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 And next we go for the second question.
Okay.
Again, we're going to expand by saying x times x. What's that going to give you?
X squared
And then we say x times minus 4.
minus 4x.
Mm-hmm. And then we go the other way around.
Plus
3x times x.
Plus 3x.
And then we say plus 3 times minus 4.
Minus 12.
Good. Expression correct. Next, we need to simplify. And we do that. X squared stays the same.
X squared.
And then here, minus 4x plus 3x.
Minus 1x.
Minus 1x. But we just write it as x, right?
Yeah, just x, yeah.
And then we complete everything.
Yeah.
Good. Nice. This way you go for your answer?
Yeah.
Excellent. Can I give you 2 more practice questions?
Okay.
All right. So let's add this one to what you already know. Expand and simplify. Let's say x plus 7, and then bracket here, x minus 2. And then we have next question just by the side of it. Another one, say in the bracket, x plus 4, and in the bracket here, x minus 3. All right, take this question.
I'm done.
Okay. Now, if we do the correction, I guess you would say you did x times x, right?
Yeah.
That's x squared. And then next you did x times minus 2. And that's going to be what?
Minus 2x.
And then you continued with 7 here, 7x.
Yeah.
Plus 7x. And then you do 7 times minus 2. And that's going to give
minus
you what number?
14.
14. And then to complete your work, x squared stays the same.
Yeah.
Now we have minus 2x plus 7x. What's it going to be really?
Plus 5x.
Plus 5x. And then we have minus 14 left here.
Yeah.
Now, is this what you got for your answer?
Yeah.
Well done. Excellent. And now we go to the one on the right. Again, we're going to expand this using the familiar method.
Yeah.
So we say x times x.
X squared.
Good. And x times minus 3.
Minus 3x.
Good. And then we say plus 4 times x.
Plus 4x.
And then plus 4 times minus 3.
Minus 12.
Good. So we need to simplify this. X squared stays the same, right?
Yeah.
And then we have minus 3x plus 4x. What's it going to be?
Minus x.
Oh, you sure? Minus 3x plus 4x.
1.
1x, right?
Yeah.
So 1x. Okay. I don't need to write the 1. Just x is enough.
Yeah, plus x. Yeah.
And then I have minus 12.
Yeah.
And it's going to be your final answer. The final set of questions that we're going to look at is where we're going to have minuses in the first bracket and minus in the second bracket.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So that's the one we're going to look at. So let's begin writing, say, a question here. Expand. Let's say you have in the bracket here, x minus 2. And then here you have x minus, let's say, minus 3. I would like you to please make a record of this in your book. I want you to walk me through how you will do this, please.
Okay, so you do x times x, which is x times x, which is x squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then you do x times minus 3, which will give you minus 3x.
Good.
And then you do minus 2 Yeah, minus 2 times minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x.
Good.
And then you do minus 2 times minus 3, which is 12.
Did you see 12?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Minus
2.
12.
Minus 2 times minus 3?
Oh, I mean 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
It's going to be a minus or a pluses? Minus as minus?
It's 12, like, I mean plus 12.
Did you say plus 12?
Yeah.
How is it 12?
I mean 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
Is it plus 6 or minus 6?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Good.
Yeah.
So our expression here is now correct. And now we need to simplify. And if you simplify this, what do you get?
X squared. Then
minus 3x minus 2x. What's it going to be?
That will give you minus 3 take away 2, minus 5.
Yep, it's going to be minus 5x
X and plus 6.
Plus 6. And that's just it.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can write this down. We're going to take some practice questions very shortly.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. All right. Expand and simplify. Let's take this one. And then bracket x minus 3. And then here you have x minus 2. Okay, so how are we going to do this one?
X times x, which is x squared. And x times minus 2, which is minus 2x.
Good.
Then you do minus 3 times x, which will give you minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2, which will give you plus 6.
Plus 6. Good. So we conclude now by simplifying this expanded expression.
Yeah.
What's it going to be now?
X squared minus 2x. I mean minus 2x plus 3x, which will give you minus 5x.
Minus 5x, yeah.
And plus 6.
Excellent. Excellent. So you can write it down.
Yeah. Done.
So now we're going to take one final example, and then I'm going to give you some practice questions. So if I split my screen this way and then go with the next one for example. So s minus 4 and then x minus 3. Okay, how would you do this?
X times x, which is x squared. X times minus 3, which is minus 3x. Then minus 4 times x, which is minus 4x. Then minus 4x times minus 3, which is minus, no, which is plus 12.
Good. All right. So how do you simplify this now?
They expand it, which you get x squared, and they do minus 3x times minus 4x, which will give you.
It's not times 3 minus 3x minus 4x.
Yeah, 12x.
There's no times minus 3x minus 4x.
You add it, which will give you 7x.
Is it plus or a minus?
Plus 7x.
Is it plus or a minus?
Plus.
How is it going to be plus? Minus 3x minus 4x.
Oh, I mean, minus 7x. And then
There
plus
we have
12.
plus 12. All right. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
What if I give you some practice question? Would you be able to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. So take this one, just only 2 questions for practice.
Mm-hmm.
Expand and simplify. The first one, s minus 4 and x minus 1. And then question number B, expand x minus 6 and then x minus 3. Let's go. So how did you do this? Okay, let's do this, the correction for this one. So
Okay.
basically, you do x times x, right?
Yeah.
That's s squared. And then you go x times minus 1. And it's going to be what? Minus x, right?
Yeah. Minus x.
And then you take this minus 4 from here and multiply x. 4 times minus x.
Minus 4x.
And then you do minus 4 times minus 1.
4.
Plus 4. So now we need to simplify to get our final result.
Mm-hmm.
S squared stays the same.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have minus 1x minus 4x. What's it going to be?
Minus 5x.
Excellent. And then we have add 4.
Yeah.
Now, is this where you got as your final answer?
Yeah.
Good. Take your answer, please.
Okay.
And then we take the next one here. Again, we take the same process. We go x times x. That's going to give you what?
X squared.
And next, x times minus 3.
Minus 3x.
And then we go minus 6 times x.
Minus 6x.
And finally, we take minus 6 times minus 3.
Plus 18.
Good. Now, to really wrap up our answer, we need to simplify. But first, s squared stays the same. It doesn't really change anything.
No.
And then we have here minus 3x minus 6x. What's it going to be?
Minus 9x.
Minus 9x. Thank you. And then what's left?
Plus 18.
Plus 18. And this is our final result.
Yeah.
Now, did you get this question correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's consider the final kind of questions you can have.
Okay.
Let's consider a situation where you're going to have a minus here. And then you have a positive here.
Yeah.
You know, we've considered plus here and minus. We've considered plus and plus. We've considered minus and minus. But now let's consider minus and plus. Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we're going to take only 2 examples. Say you want to expand. Here we have x minus 2. And then here you have x plus 3. Okay. How are we going to do this? Any clue, please?
You do x times x, which is x squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then you do x times 3
Plus 3.
plus 3, which is plus 3x.
Mm-hmm.
And you do minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x.
Mm-hmm.
Then you do minus 2 times
Plus 3.
plus minus 2 plus 3, which is
Remember
minus 6.
minus 6. Good. And so now we're going to simplify. And that will be?
It'll be x squared.
3x minus 2x.
X
Plus x.
plus x.
And then you have here
minus 6.
Excellent. That's it. So you're gonna write this down?
Yeah,
You're
I've
gonna
already
take,
read it.
okay, we'll take another example.
Okay.
Here, again, let's say we have this one here, x minus 5. And then here you have x plus 3. Okay, so how do we go about this?
X times x, which is x squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then x times plus x times 3 plus 3, which will give you plus 3x.
Mm-hmm.
They do minus 5 times x, which is minus 5x.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And they do minus 5 times plus 3, which will give you minus 15.
Good. Now we simplify.
X squared, then you do plus, and then you do 3x take away 5, which will give you 2x. And then you get
Are you sure it's 2x? 3x take away 5x.
No, 3. No,
3x take away negative what?
It's minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
Then minus 15.
Good. Excellent. So go ahead and write it down.
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Can I give you a practice question? Just 2 questions?
Okay.
All right. Practice this. Expand and simplify bracket x minus 2, x plus 3. That's the first one. There's another one here. X minus 4, x minus 2, or plus 2 here. Let's go.
Done.
Okay, so for the correction for this, what we do is expand. We must start out by doing x times x here.
Yeah.
That's x squared.
Yeah.
And then next we do x times plus 3.
Yeah.
That's plus 3x.
Yeah.
And then we go minus 2 times x. That's minus 2x.
Yeah.
And then we do minus 2 times plus 3. That's minus 6. And now we can simplify this. X squared stays the same down here. And then we have here 3x. It's a positive 3x. Take away 2x. That's going to be 1x.
Yeah.
And then we have minuses left. Now, is this where you go for your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we take our last question for the day. So again, we need to expand this. We begin by doing x times x here.
Mm-hmm.
That's x squared. And x times plus 2. That's plus 2x. And then we go minus 4 times x. That's minus 4x. And minus 4 times plus 2. That's minus 8. And now to simplify, we write down x squared down. And then we have here 2x. It's a positive 2x. Minus 4x. That's going to be minus 2x. And then here we have left minus 8. And this is going to be the final answer. Now, did you get this question correct? Really?
Yeah.
Excellent. So this really brings us to the end of our session on expanding double brackets.